Guys, welcome back to TechDose, and in this video we will look at the clear digits problem, which is from Leetcode number 3174. Let's now read the problem statement. In this problem you are given a string s. Your task is to remove all the digits by doing this operation repeatedly. Delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left, and we need to return the resulting string after removing all the digits. Now let's take the example number 1. In this case, if you have a, b, c, then what we can do is we can start forming a new string, and whenever we see a character we will just keep on pushing the value. How do you know if a certain string value is a character? So if this given string input is s, then you can say that if s at I is actually greater than equals to 0 character and s at I is actually less than equals to 9 character, right? Then it means that the given character s at I is actually a digit. Otherwise, if this is not the case, then it is not a digit. So let's say that after ABC we had 84. Then we will be looking at this 8, and we know that since it is a digit, then what we will do, you will just remove from the end. So we will pop an element from the end of the string. So we will be popping this C. This will be order of 1 operation for every item we pop. Then we see a 4. Then this means from the end of the string pop back, so B will be removed. Again, if you had X and then you had a 2, then you will see an X and you will append X, and as soon as you see a digit, just remove the last character, right? So by the end of this entire parsing, your leftover string will only be A, and that is what we need to return, right? If you look at the second example, it is saying CB34. So you can build your string. If you see a non-digit character, you just push it. If you see a non-digit character, you push it, and if you see a digit, then you pop the back. If you see a digit, pop the back. So at the end your string is empty, so you are returning an empty string, right? Now what happens for the case of, let's say, AB234? Now in this case your string will be having the value A, and again you will have a value B. For 2 you will be removing this B, for 3 you will be removing this A, but for 4 you will not have anything to remove, isn't it? So this kind of case is a boundary case, but in this particular problem you will find that this case will never occur. So if you read the constraint section, then the input is generated in such a way that it is always possible to delete all the digits. That means AB234 is not a valid input, because in this case we will not be able to delete 3 characters to the left of 234, right? The length of the string is only 100, and the S consists only of lowercase English letters and digits. So I think we have solved the entire problem in order of 1 already, right? So let's look at the code which is mentioned here. Now if you look at the code, we are given this string S. I will be taking a resultant string, and I will be going character by character over all the string items. And if a given character is a digit, then I will be popping from the back of the result. Otherwise we will be pushing at the back of the result, isn't it? And at the end we will be getting the final result. So this is order of n complexity, and I hope you were able to understand it. If you are someone who is looking to prepare for top product based company within a limited time of just 3 months, then we have brought for you both the DSA and the system design live interview training program. The most important feature of this program is you get a filtered and condensed structured curriculum, in-depth discussion of all the topics, and my guarantee of your understanding, one-on-one guidance with me, and live weekend classes. To know more about the training, you can WhatsApp us on this given number.